What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Beats on Base token. Ticker symbol is BEATS. Now this token's doing very well today. Pretty decent sized market cap. They're up 63.9% today. Over $500,000 in 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the Beats on Base token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, their webpage is beatsonbase.ai. It's funny because I was actually just going to look at their white paper. And when you click on white paper at the very bottom of the webpage, it takes you to a video. And then you're going to assume, well, maybe this video will, play me some information. And it's the Rickroll video with the guy popping up there. And then it also has the KOALA popping up too and dancing to the Rickroll song, which is pretty funny. So it says here, disclaimer, Beats on Base was created to celebrate memes and music while pushing the limits of AI technology. Purchasing a Beats token represents supporting our community goal and bringing Beats the koala to life through artificial intelligence. Beats on Base is not a business, and by buying this coin does not represent any inherent value, only purchase if you want to support the project. The price of the coin may fluctuate and we are not responsible. So always read the disclaimers. Now, you can find this token on BaseScan, basescan.org. Right now they have 2,037 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. And it says there is a max supply, total supply of 808,808,808 tokens, and that is because of the 808 drums, aka Beats. And so now we have Beats on Base, which is also their Telegram. Beats on Base on Telegram, 158 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, updates, memes, and same with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here, at Beats on Base. And you can see the Twitter has a link to their Telegram and a link to their webpage right there. So you're going to find all the links you need on the Telegram. They have a gold verified checkmark, 258 posts. They just joined in June 2024 on Twitter, 531 followers. It says, "Good day, mates. I'm Beats." Talking like an Australian because koalas are indeed from Australia. Now, in their pinned tweet, it says, "Meme music, Beats on Base, the project's live, mates. Let's go. Every interaction's a ripper's chance for future giveaways." And then they have the contract address and a little embedded video that you could watch in their pinned tweets. But it's real easy to find the contract address right there in their pinned tweet or on that webpage, which is also linked right there on the Twitter. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a wallet, you could download a Coinbase wallet, a Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. Any wallet that could store Base tokens, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base. Or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find UNISWAP, and then you would trade your base for the BEATS token using the contract address you could find in their pinned tweet or on their webpage. Now, as far as slippage goes, there could be taxes here. We could actually check. There's some quick audits here on Deck Screener that go over if there's taxes or not. So they have a Go Plus security audit, and there's no warnings on that audit whatsoever. Quick Intel's security audit is also good. No red flags on there either. And they also got 100 out of 100 on Token Sniffer, so that's great to see. And their Go Plus security audit says no taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage or anything like that. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, it says here, Beats on Base is a community-driven meme coin project featuring an AI-powered character, Beats the Koala. It represents fun music videos, user-generated AI content, interactive tools to foster engagement and creativity, aiming to build a vibrant, playful brand in the crypto space. Now they have here 57.18 pooled ETH in Uniswap, and according to Deck Screener, that is equivalent to 79,009,500 pooled Beats tokens in Uniswap. Now this pair was created 20 days, 19 hours ago in Uniswap, so it's not a brand new token. It is about 3 weeks old, but still doing very well. Right now they're up 47.4% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $623,000. Just today, they've had 2,255 transactions. They have a market cap of $1.5 million, and they have a fully diluted valuation of $2.3 million. Now, according to Deck Screener here, it says they have $454,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked, and they have a link where you could verify that as well. And on their webpage, you're going to find some videos, all sorts of cool stuff here. Buy button. It says, Beats the Koala, true blue, artificially intelligent, API, addicted dev extraordinaire, and base chain degen. Good memes have motion, great memes have music. I will come to life. Now it says here that 68% of the tokens go to the LP liquidity, which is locked for 4 years. They have a vesting period on there. They're going to do airdrops, giveaway. The rest of the tokens are split up with creation, expansion, marketing, team allocation, etc. So yeah, go check this token out. Beatsonbase.ai is the webpage. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.